Hello friends, we will be conducting the RIMC mock test series for the 1st June exam from 13 to 31st May 2024. इस सीरीज में शामिल हैं 5 mock tests and 3 previous year's papers with detailed solution and with video solution. Then we have 10 hours of revision classes in between the series, and we will be having examination tip and motivation session by me and free interview guidance for the successful candidates. So in case your child is appearing for the June exam and he or she has been preparing for RIMC exam and you want him or her to have that final push and final exposure to the test series, these papers are based on the latest paper pattern. So these tests are going to help the child in securing more marks in the RIMC exam. For more details, you can get in touch with our counseling team. The contact number is given on the video itself. Down below you can see on the strip. Just WhatsApp to us and we'll share the link for registration for this course. That is all in this video. Thank you. Bye bye and Jai Hind.